All right, listen, I got a short and quick and easy recipe for you guys. Listen, we in fall now, so I got to get y'all right? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this apple cider glazed chicken recipe. Listen, it was quick, it's simple, and for my people who like apple cinnamon dishes, this is for you. Check it out and do not knock it until you try it. All right, if you're still with me, let's get into this recipe.
First thing you're gonna need is about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. Now see, for me, I like to get 2 pounds of chicken and I like to fillet them like this to get more out of it. So if you're on a budget, go get you about a $12 pack of chicken or a $10 to $12 pack of chicken and fillet them bad boys. Turn 2 into 4 because they tripping. They tripping with these prices. Okay, first things first, you're gonna add in your olive oil, add in some salt. Gonna add some pepper as well. All right, next you're gonna add in your avocado oil. All right, once your pan is heated up, we're gonna go ahead and add in your chicken. You should hear it sizzle. We're just gonna brown each side of it, so we're gonna cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're not gonna cook it all the way through because it's gonna cook some more inside of the sauce, and you don't want this chicken to overcook, causing this to be very dry. Just like that. All right, so once the chicken is done, now we're gonna go ahead and start our apple cider. We're gonna go ahead and put our apples in. 1 cup of apple cider. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add in the seasons that I mentioned earlier. So you can either use 2 tablespoons of honey or you can use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. It's up to you. Now that the sauce is starting to thicken up, we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken before it gets too thick. All right, so that the sauce can thicken up, you just wanna keep the lid off and you just wanna let it keep cooking down. And then you can just baste it over top. Just gonna cook the chicken until the sauce thickens up to your preference. And this is what it should look like when it's done. As you can see, the sauce has gotten a lot thicker. Listen, if you're looking for something that's sweet and savory, this is for you right here. Make sure you guys try this dish out and let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Until next time, peace.